Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are fine. Welcome in your English class. Dear student, today we are going to revise synonyms and antonyms. What are synonyms? Which words, spelling and pronunciation will be changed, but the meaning will be same. Those will be synonyms. What are antonyms? Antonyms are those words which meaning will be opposite. Dear student, this is a list which is pasted in your grammar fair copy. Word, synonym and antonym. First word is huge. Synonym big. Antonym tiny. Word future. Synonym coming time. Antonym past. Word join. Synonym connect. Antonym separate. Word maximum. Synonym highest. Antonym minimum. Word minor. Synonym small. Antonym major. Word nice. Synonym pleasant. Antonym unpleasant. Word numerous. Synonym many. Antonym few. Word observe. Synonym notice. Antonym ignore. Word glad. Synonym happy. Antonym sad. Word gather. Synonym collect. Antonym disperse. Word friend. Synonym comrade. Antonym enemy. Word front. Synonym for. Antonym back. Word difficult. Synonym complex. Antonym simple. Word different. Synonym unlike. Antonym same. Word furious. Synonym angry. Antonym calm. Word begin. Synonym commence. Antonym terminate. Word confuse. Synonym jumble. Antonym clarify. Word shut. Synonym close. Antonym open. Word soft. Synonym smooth. Antonym rough. Word remained. Synonym remember. Antonym forget. Word query. Synonym question. Antonym answer. Word powerful. Synonym strong. Antonym weak. Word filled. Synonym full. Antonym empty. Word often. Synonym gain. Antonym loss. Word beware. Synonym careful. Antonym careless. Dear student, your homework is memorize this list, do its test, send your test work in WhatsApp group. Hope you understand. Allah Hafiz.